Hello, and welcome to our presentation on the effects of heat. We've all experienced how heat can make us feel warm. But do you know that by adding or removing heat, you can also cause some pretty amazing changes in matter? Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. The hotter something is, the faster its particles are moving. When we add heat to an object, we increase the kinetic energy of its particles, making them move faster. This causes the temperature of the object to rise. Heat is a form of energy that can be transferred from one object to another object. Heat is often associated with a feeling of warmth. Heat is not the same thing as temperature. A candle burns at a very high temperature, about 1400 degrees Fahrenheit, but the candle would not provide your home with much heat to keep everyone warm on a cold night. Now here's where things get really interesting. When we continue to add or remove heat, we can cause matter to change its state. These changes are called phase changes. Let's take a look at water for an example. At room temperature, water is a liquid. If we add heat to the water, its temperature will rise. Eventually, the water will reach its boiling point and start to change into a gas, which we call water vapor. On the other hand, if we remove heat from the water, its temperature will decrease. Eventually, the water will reach its freezing point and start to change into a solid, which we call ice. This process is called freezing. There are many other phase changes that can occur as well. For example, solid carbon dioxide, also known as dry ice, can change directly into a gas without passing through the liquid phase. This process is called sublimation. Understanding how heat affects matter is important to many areas of our lives. For example, engineers use this knowledge to design engines and other machines. Scientists use it to study the weather and climate, and cooks use it to prepare delicious meals. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the effects of heat. Thank you for watching.